Art students, the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to do basic weaving, and we're going to finish this one in just a second. Okay, I'm going to tilt you down so we can get started. First, you are going to need a square piece of paper, and you are going to need some strips that are longer than the square. They don't need to be this much longer, but you want them quite a bit longer so that you have room to work. Then, you don't want any of the strips thicker than your thumb, so you want to make sure to grab a pair of scissors and cut them so that they are no thicker than your thumb. The thinner your strips are, the more interesting your weaving is. But for this basic one, we're going to keep them what? The thickness of our thumb. Then, we are going to take our paper and we are going to fold it in half. To fold it paper in half, you take corners, corner to corner, hold, squeeze. Okay? So, corner to corner, hold, squeeze. Then, finding the folded side, I am cutting from the folded side, one, but notice I stop before I get to the edge. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cuts did I do? 4. What side did I cut from? The folded side. I know I did it correctly because when I open it up, ta-da, it stays together. Then, I'm going to take my strips and I cut, and there's a little chant. It goes over, and then lift it, under. Over, lift it, under. And I pull it, and then I push it to the side. Now I have to do the opposite. What does the opposite mean? It means if this one was over, this one's got to be under. So I go under, and then look. I got to go over, and then look how I use my fingers. Pick it up, flop her down. Over, under, over, under. And then line it up, and then what? Squeeze. All right, let's do it again. This one is under, so this one has to be over. What's our chant? Over, under, over, under. And then what? Squeeze. Okay, you would keep going. The last one, if it didn't fit, like let's say you're like, oh, it doesn't fit. You might have to cut it down. Can you kind of see how this one I had to cut it down to get it to fit? That last one is tricky. You might need to ask for a friend's help. But it is all squeezed and it's really tight. When it's like this, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut off your extras. Then it's time to glue. We're going to take our glue, and I like to put our glue in bottles like this because it's easier, but we got to remember, a dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. Say it with me. A dot, dot, dot is a what? Lot, lot, lot. So I lift, I do a teeny squeeze, boop, 1 dot, push in place. Lift, teeny squeeze, boop. Ooh, see, 1 dot is a lot, dot, lot. Ooh, I got too much. Okay, hold, lift, squeeze, teeny dot, and I wait for it to fall. Woo, that was perfect. One more. Lift, one little teeny squeeze, wait for it to fall, place it. Don't forget to do the back side. Once you're done with this, you now have made an awesome piece that if you want to, can turn into a pouch. Look, I could tape that. Now I have like a ticket pouch for all my tickets. Or I could put all sorts of stuff in there. Hopefully you enjoy basic weaving. Bye!